Welcome, language learners! Today, we're diving into the basics of reading by exploring the use of and in sentences. These tiny words may seem simple, but they play a big role in English grammar. Let's dive in and master their usage together. Let's read. A. I have a book. A book. Let's read. An. This is an apple. An apple. Let's read. An. She is an artist. An artist. Let's read. A. He owns a car. A car. Let's read. An. An owl hooted. An owl. Let's read. A. We need a plan. A plan. Let's read. An. An orange is sweet. An orange. Let's read. A. A dog barked loudly. A dog. Let's read. An. An eagle soars high. An eagle. Let's read. A. She is a doctor. A doctor. Let's read. An. We want an ice cream. An ice cream. Let's read. A. A rainbow appeared. A rainbow. Let's read. An. An umbrella is red. An umbrella. Let's read. A. A butterfly fluttered by. A butterfly. Let's read. An. He plays an instrument. An instrument. Let's read. A. A baby is laughing. A baby. Let's read. An. They saw an island. An island. Let's read. An astronaut in space. An astronaut. Let's read. A tiger is fierce. A tiger. Let's read. An ant is tiny. An ant. Let's read. A flower bloomed. A flower. Let's read. An iguana on a branch. An iguana. Let's read. A boat on water. A boat. Let's read. We need an answer. An answer. Let's read. A rainbow after the rain. A rainbow. Let's read. An alien in movies. An alien. Let's read. She found a gem. A gem. Let's read. An octopus has tentacles. An octopus. Let's read. He is a teacher. A teacher. Let's read. We have an idea. An idea. Thanks for joining me on this Reading Basics adventure. Don't forget to practice using a and an in your own sentences. Until next time, happy reading!
Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.